this up.
I hate this game. Okay, I'm going to play conservatively.
That's conservative?
Why would you go there? That feels worse.
Way to come into my side of the board.
Oh, way to go to my side of the board. Okay, I don't need the sound effect.
I love this game.
I don't like. I'm trying so hard.
For the record, my 6-year-old got all the pieces filled.
Good for him. There's 2 over there! There's 2 over there! You tried to put it over there to, I don't know. I don't know how this works. I didn't do well in physics. That's where you're gonna go? You're not even gonna try to balance it? Tilting that way. You gotta go here. Here? Here. Does that mean I won? I'm counting that as a win. You've taken all the easy spots, so now...
That's not where I would go. Like the...